I'm gonna be doing some Rasta Pasta for dinner tonight. You can see my ingredients there. So for those of you who don't know Rasta Pasta, what is it? They call it like this because of the color of the final product. You have the pasta and the sauce is a bit golden, and you put bell peppers, red, green, and yes, red and green, and you also use jerk seasoning, so, and heavy cream. But in my case, you know, I'm just using what I have in my fridge right now. So here are my pasta. As you can see, I do not have green bell pepper, so it will be green, orange, and I have some spinach there, so I will put spinach. I have the jerk seasoning there. It's not homemade. Sometimes I do it homemade, but it's not homemade. Well, I do not have heavy cream as much as we do not eat heavy cream anyways. Usually I use soy cream, but I don't have soy cream, so I will try to work out with the almond milk I have here and butter. For the cheese, I do not have parmesan, and I do not have you know, the grated emmental, like good French cheese or whatever. I have this smoked cheese that is very, very strong, actually very strong. It's not that bad, kind of clean, at least. It's a mix of cheddar and I don't know, whatever, but will give it a good taste. So let's go. As you can see, my water is already boiling. So first thing I've done is to put my pasta, as you can see. And meantime, what I will do, I already cut my onions, I have 2 garlic cloves, and I have my bell peppers and my spinach, so I will just chop everything before put it in the pan. Okay, I just cut my bell peppers already there, garlic crush, so here we go. So the equivalent of 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I will put as well teaspoon of butter, just like that. I'm just leaving my onion be transparent like 1 or 2 minutes. Thereafter, I put my jerk seasoning, just 1 teaspoon. This one is very, very spicy. Now this is ready with the spinach. It's the last touch.